Hey there, this tutorial will guide you through connecting SendGrid to GoHighLevel to optimize your marketing and CRM efforts. So this is going to be just a simple walkthrough. You'll need to log into your GoHighLevel account and also your SendGrid account. So go to email services and then click on add service. And then from the drop-down menu, you can go ahead and click on SendGrid. You need to hop back to your SendGrid dashboard and then go to settings, click on API keys, and then you can go ahead and create an API key. Use a descriptive key name and then choose your permission. Full access would be optimum, and then copy your API key. So then go ahead and add your API key to GoHighLevel. You selected SendGrid as your SMTP provider. Your username is API key, and then plug in your email there as well, and then your password, which is your API key. All right. Then in SendGrid, you can set up your two-factor authentication and then verify your SendGrid email account as a single sender. And then create a sender here with your SendGrid login email. And then integrate again by clicking Save again in GoHighLevel. All right, then you'll see SendGrid as your SMTP provider in GoHighLevel. All right, and that's about it. Make sure to send a test email from GoHighLevel to ensure the integration is functional, and then you've connected SendGrid with GoHighLevel. Subscribe for more useful tutorials and don't forget to try SendGrid with the free trial link provided below.